In the heart of Islamabad, a food truck is serving more than just delicious meals. Deaflicious is run entirely by deaf entrepreneurs, breaking barriers and spreading awareness.
Hi, my name is Mobeen. I started the fast food business and working from past 8 years. I launched my food truck in F6, Islamabad back in 2017.
But Deaflicious is more than one person's journey.
Hi, my name is John Zabekon. We are 5 deaf people working as a team.
Here, food is more than a meal. It's a language of connection.
Hearing customers place their orders by checking the menu, and alongside it, we've added a special board that teaches basic sign language. This simple interaction not only makes the experience unique, but it also helps spread awareness among the hearing community.
Every story in Deaflicious carries a lesson.
Hi, I am working in Deaflicious for years as a chef. My message to the deaf community is simple. Don't limit yourself by staying at home. Work hard and show the world what you are capable of. It comes through efforts and believing in your own potential.